we're going to have a look at long French knot, which I've definitely done by accident before now, but it was recently when I saw it in a book, I was like, oh, actually, it is its own version, like a variation on French knot. It's just got a really long stalk. So we're going to give it a go. It's going to come up as though you're going to do a French knot. I'm using 3 strands, so it's not going to be massively chunky French knot. 2 turns, and instead of going down really close to your hole, you're going to go down a bit further away, so you can't wrap it too tightly because there needs to be some movement there. There we go. It's as easy as that. I love it. It actually kind of felt even easier than a French knot itself. This, I think, would look really good as part of sort of grass with a little knot on top. Some countryside wildlife scene, or the center of a flower. There we go. But I think that looks really interesting, and that is a variation of a French knot. What can I say? There's not much more to learn. It's kind of a French knot with a long tail, or a long securing knot. If you need a refresher on the French knot, I have done a tutorial on that, which will be a bit longer than this video. If you are enjoying my videos, please subscribe. I don't often ask, but I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so it would really help me out. Love it. I think you will be seeing this in my work very soon.